Hey folks, Nick the nurse here. Today we're going to be talking about some of the side effects of an anti-anginal medication, nitroglycerin. Now, nitroglycerin is often given in treatment for patients who suffer from angina pectoris. Now, nitroglycerin is a potent vasodilator, and what that does is it opens up the vessels in the body so that the heart and the surrounding tissue can get oxygenated blood where it needs to go. Oftentimes, patients who have cardiac disease or problems with the vasculature in their heart need nitroglycerin so that the myocardium and the other tissues in the heart can get oxygenated blood due to blockages or constriction or arterial or atherosclerosis. So nitroglycerin is an extremely important drug. It's also very powerful, which is why you as a nursing student need to know what some of the side effects or contraindications are. So with nitroglycerin, one of the big side effects is headache. A patient who gets nitroglycerin might get a headache because the blood vessels in their head are going to be opening up, the peripheral vasodilation there. Another thing that can happen is the patient's blood pressure drops. And you want to make sure that when you're giving nitroglycerin, for example, if you're giving 3 sublingual nitroglycerin tablets 5 minutes in succession of each other, you want to make sure and do what before you administer each successive dose? You want to take a set of vital signs. Why? Because you need to make sure that the patient's blood pressure doesn't drop too rapidly. A patient's blood pressure shouldn't drop below 90 systolic. If the blood pressure is below 90 systolic, you want to make sure that you hold the dose and perhaps consult the physician or retake the blood pressure. Extremely important. This is low-hanging fruit. It comes up frequently on nursing school exams and might even come up on your NCLEX exam, so make sure that you're familiar with that. Again, my name is Nick the Nurse. I'd like to thank you for watching my video today. If you'd like to check out any of my other completely free videos, they're all online at www.nickthenurse.com. That's with no spaces between Nick the Nurse. Again, that's www.nickthenurse.com. Or subscribe to my YouTube channel, Nick the Nurse. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.